Okay, welcome to the channel once again, guys. All right, I'm going to use the setup to create a USB bootable device for linuxmint operating system. Okay, this is a simple way of showing you. Okay, if you have not watched my video on how to use a WINSETUP software to burn or to create a flash drive, a bootable flash drive, here you can just learn how to use it in linuxmint. It's simple. I have a previous video on how to use it to get multiple windows done. Okay, all right, so this is just a simple way of doing for Linux. You have seen where you have to choose. You don't have to choose the one of Windows, you have to choose the one of Linux. Then after that, you go and choose your operating system. Okay, I already have my operating system and I'm still going to upload it on the description of this video, also the description of WINSETUP software. The software, I'm going to drop the link in the description, which you can help you when you want to do this. You can do it. Okay, you have to know what is required for you to create your USB bootable drive. All right, you need a flash drive. All right, that's very important. You need your WINSETUP software. Then after that, you need your operating system. I will also drop the link on where you can download the operating system, okay, on my description of this video. Please like and share this video. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.